Origin of green construction. The roots of green construction can be traced back to ancient civilizations, where people often built in harmony with nature, using local materials and passive solar design techniques. However, the modern green building movement emerged in the mid 20th century, driven by growing concerns about environmental degradation and energy consumption. Here are some key milestones in the history of green construction: 1960s and 1970s. Environmental awareness. The environmental movement gained momentum, raising awareness of the impact of human activities on the planet. Energy crisis. The oil crisis of the 1970s highlighted the need for energy efficiency and renewable energy sources. Early green building pioneers, architects, and engineers began experimenting with sustainable design principles, incorporating natural light, ventilation, and energy efficient materials into their projects. 1980s and 1990s. Formalization of green building standards. Organizations like the U.S. Green Building Council and the Building Research Establishment BRE developed rating systems LEED and BREEAM to evaluate the environmental performance of buildings. Increased adoption. Green building practices gained traction in the commercial and residential sectors, driven by government policies, market demand, and technological advancements. 21st century global expansion. Green building has become a global movement, with countries around the world adopting sustainable building codes and standards. Focus on innovation. The industry continues to innovate, with emerging technologies like advanced building materials, smart building systems, and renewable energy integration. Emphasis on social and economic impacts. Green buildings are increasingly recognized for their positive impact on human health, well-being, and economic development. Today, green construction is a mainstream practice, driven by a combination of environmental, economic, and social factors. It offers a sustainable and responsible approach to building design and construction, contributing to a more sustainable future.